I know that people are worried about 3 kids on a seat or a row, however it's termed. Is there anything we can do about them not being all squished together on the bus when we are paying so much attention to physical distancing in the school? Can you talk a little bit about physical distancing in the buses?
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Rogers. First of all, has been acknowledged by the ministry to support return to school 5 days a week. School boards will need to utilize buses beyond the 1 student per seat, and in order to operate closer to capacity. As of yesterday, our surveys showed that over 30% of respondents to a survey indicate they'll be opting out of transportation. That will have a direct impact on our capacity and free up some spaces on buses themselves. And to the extent that where physical distancing may not be possible, we have, again, the non-medical masks for students grades 4 to 12. These will be encouraged for kindergarten to grade 3. And also, we, again, with the seating arrangements, will be looking to have the students beside siblings and classmates.
Thank you. Now, it seems to me a trustee asked me earlier today if we have a reduced number of students on a bus, are we planning to combine a bunch of bus routes to fill up the bus? I think it was Trustee Edwards who asked me that.
Thank you, Dr. Rogers. In conversations with the consortium, we're not looking to reduce. So if, for example, you had 2 buses that are 50%, could you combine them? It would be very hard to achieve that because you need to have both routes close together and not extend the routes very long in order to actually be able to condense that one route. So from just an operational perspective, it's less likely that's going to happen. And in fact, when we're reviewing as far as the numbers with the head of the general manager of the consortium, we're actually looking at it as an advantage of the fact that there'll be spaces on the bus potentially that will help with seating arrangements. So the goal is not looking to consolidate and fill up all of the available spaces on existing buses.
Thank you, Superintendent Regier. I think that will be reassuring to parents. It's also not intended to be a cost reduction strategy. This is a time that is unprecedented in our history, as everybody knows, and everybody connected to the school board also knows that I would be a frugal person, but this is not the time to be scrimping and trying to save money. Because what is important here is children's health and safety and well-being. Did you want to add anything?
Yes. What you may see, and people may see changes in routes, but that's just the objective. That will be getting kids to school. We're not looking to reduce as far as just pure efficiency. There may be adjustments to routes as we factor in how many remote students there is, or changes to that as people come in and so forth. So there may be changes to routes, but the goal primarily is getting students both to school on time and home in a timely manner.